I'm going to show you how to do a trending research. I'm going to show you a free way, and then I'm going to show you a cool paid tool that is going to help you understand the demand in a certain niche and look for these certain signals, because this is very important when it comes to making sales. You need to understand like where the demand is. Where's the, like, you're doing research. You're trying to find top selling niches that have a demand and a lot of search traffic. And then you create a design or create a product and be at the top of that so you can generate all that traffic and make all those sales, right? So with that being said, let's get into the content. So one of my favorite ways to do research and gather data and as much information as possible is leverage the Amazon hot new releases. I like to come in here to understand and see what is selling, what is trending. And these are like newer shirts that are starting to rank and crank into the algorithm. And if you see these BSRs, look how low they are. Okay, look at these. Like some of these shirts are listed within the last week, the last 2 weeks, the last month, the last 30 days, it's just in general. And your goal is to come in here and see, okay, what are the patterns? Look at the patterns. It's okay, boom, are these doing good over here? And understand why. Now, obviously, you have to identify trademarks and copyrights, so you have to have an understanding of that. So that is very, very important. But as you're going down, you look at this. We have a good amount of design ideas and inspiration that are not trademarked and copyrighted. Now, obviously, the World Cup, there was a big boy train that might be borderline right there. Anything with, you can't do like any of the World Cup teams, USA, anything like that. You want to be careful with that. And coming down, first things is waiting on parts. Something like that. Make this one like this. I have a few tabs open. I found a few in here. Flight was never an option, and we'll break down and show you exactly how we're going to do research and see the demand over here on Etsy, and then find these shops. So ow right here, body pain, a funny one right there. That was a good one. So for example, this fish trout has been trending the last doing pretty good the last few days. Or probably the last 30 days, last month, and it's cranking and doing a good amount of sales. You can see this one made a sell, what it says 4 days ago, the 7th, right? As I'm recording this video, you can see, look, it's at 160, now it's at 35K BSR. So that means it's consistently making sales. And so this is interesting right here, because this is something very generic. It's a trout with some that's like a color effects right on there, okay, which is pretty cool. And then we go to the next one. There's that ow, right? And if we come down here, you can see that it's starting to trend up, but it seems like there is definitely a demand with this design. It was uploaded April 18th, 2026. Now this right here, flight was never an option. If we kind of see that one, we got a penguin gun and all right, penguin holding a gun. Let's come down. Let's see what's going on here. It sees it made its first sell on the 5th of July, and it's making consistent sales. The BSR is really low ranking. That means that there's definitely a demand. It's at 99K BSR right now. It was uploaded the 3rd. Okay, pretty interesting. Now if we come over here on Etsy, this is one cool way too as well. So I would put the same funny ow shirt, and I'm just curious to see like what's the demand looking like. So listing age to monthly sales, right? EverBee shows us this right here, where you're looking at the listing age, like, okay, 2 months with this amount of sales. That means there is a demand. This is a trend. You want something like this. Now you come over here, look at another one. We have another shop doing this. Okay, 8 months. This one's 12 months. I thought it said 2. No, that was 12 months. That's a little different. But this one right here is definitely taken off. Now 3 months, 2 sales, not bad. All right, come down over here. We have another one. Different layout, like he's like making a different face, stick figure face. 2 months, 12 sales. The conversion rate's pretty solid on this one. All right, so that's definitely, there's a demand here. So another one, 1 month, 11 sales. So what we're looking at is the listing age to sales. So the lower, with the more sales, the better the demand. Very simple, very easy to do, and I'll show you another example. So the fish trout shirt, 2 months, 28 sales. You see the demand there, and look, it's a little bit, this one's different from the one on Amazon, right? But we're using Amazon as a #1 shopping platform to see, okay, this is what's selling. Now let me go verify and cross-check it on Etsy so I can get more information. And look at, they got this cowboy riding was it a rainbow trout, right? So that's interesting. So these are rainbow trouts too, by the way, if you're looking at the keywords, if you're unaware of that. And come down, we have another one that's popular right now, 3 months, 22 sales. Ding, ding, right? So that's a good sign. 2 months, 4 sales. Fish around and find trout. 8 months, 42 sales. Okay, so rainbow trout seems to be really popular right now. All right, next one is flight was never an option t-shirt. Look at this one, 2 months. This is crushing it. 2 months, 153 sales. 1 month, 6 sales. This right here is just crazy amount of sales. Okay, real crazy. So yeah, you can see that. And then yeah, 1 month, 6 sales. And you look down, there's a lot of newer ones that are 1 month, 12 sales. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. For 3 months, 8 sales. We're looking at the listing age to month sales for demand. Then if you want to take it a step further, okay, you can go into the actual listing and you're going to see the add to carts. Popular, bestseller, 20 add to carts. Most likely if they have add to carts, they most likely have add to carts. They have reviews. Some people are taking photos of the actual product. So that's like ding, ding. Those are signals right there. That's telling you like, this is definitely doing good. Okay. You're seeing the 1698 right here, the sell. If you pick the size, you can see picking your size, right? And then you pick whatever color. You can see the different how they're charging depending on what type of style, what type of shirt you want, right? So $25.51, and then they're charging $5 for shipping. So over a $30 shirt for this one. So now let's take all the information that we got and let's go ahead and plug it into Claude AI and let's try to come up with some original design concepts with this. For this is too as well, because if you're a beginner, I want you to understand how one design can make an impact on your shop and turn your whole business around and give you a better understanding of how to do research the correct way. This one design on this person's shop, 5 months old on Etsy, 614 sales, right? 4.8 out of 5, 66 reviews. But look they can obviously do more to the shop, right? As they're growing and understanding, everything about selling on Etsy. You come over here and look at it. This one design, the flight was never an option, is making their whole monthly sales, 153 sales, $4,000 in revenue, 2 months old. All right. So you see in this, I'm using the EverBee to look at this information. It's giving us a good amount of information, and vice versa. Like you can literally just see what I'm doing here is to understand what they're doing, who their target audience is. And then they're understanding it. And this seems like they're just building around and creating multiple like other listings and scaling it out by using different animals, have it make sense for what they're trying to do. They tried some 4th of July designs. They have that viral meme, the howling at the moon. So the hot dog jumping into the bun, that's a cool one. So this is very, very powerful what they're doing here. Okay.